Why do we have to believe in the unseen? You can't see the wind, but you believe in it. You see its effects, the trees swaying, the chill on your skin. Belief in the unseen isn't about blind faith. It's about intelligent inference. In Islam, this is called Iman bil-Ghayb, belief in the unseen. It's the bedrock of faith. The Quran challenges us. This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those who are mindful of God, who believe in the unseen. Quran chapter 2, verses 2 through 3. Think about it. You can't see love, but you experience its undeniable reality. You can't see consciousness, yet it's the very thing asking this question. You trust the laws of physics, like gravity, even if you've never seen the equations warp space-time. Islam doesn't ask you to abandon reason. It invites you to apply it fully, to observe the profound order, design, and moral compass within creation and within yourself. That observable evidence points to an unseen author. So believing in the unseen God isn't a leap into darkness, it's a step towards a deeper light, a light that explains the why behind the what. It's the final piece that makes the puzzle of existence complete. I invite you to ask with an open heart, what if the source of all this beauty, logic, and love is one? What if the message of Islam is simply the owner's manual for the human soul? Existence is not merely what your eyes see. You see some things, but much remains hidden from you. Something whose existence is rationally necessary to believe in. And this is what Islam calls you to.